Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called Prime Domain AI, which is the world's first chat GPT plus powered app that creates fully functional self-updating GoDaddy style domain selling platforms for any offer in any niche using just a single keyword in 3 easy clicks. So watch the complete video to see full review about it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 plus action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $1000 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started. So get access to it right now, enter my coupon code and get special discount from my side.